So this food should be pretty good. I can't wait for.
You guys go your waivers. You guys have
Waivers?
to sign both of
For
them
real?
Today, name and date today.
To eat the Reaper.
The Reaper.
So sign this.
What is the date?
Signing our lives away. I think it's the 26th.
The
maybe.
25th.
25th. I was close. When you're on vacation, you don't keep track of time. All right, we're gonna sign these waivers and we're gonna try the Reaper. And
Signing
we're
my
gonna
life away.
We're gonna let you know if it's hot or not. We're at Dave's Chicken. We have to sign a waiver to eat the Reaper chicken. I don't know if that's a good sign or not, but let's see.
All right, guys, we are at Dave's Hot Chicken in Kissimmee, and we are gonna check this new restaurant out, see if it's actually hot. Let's go.
This place looks pretty cool. And supposedly they have one of the hottest chicken sandwiches, the Reaper. We have to try it. Here's the menu. Here are the spice levels. No spice, light, mild, medium, hot, extra hot, and Reaper. We're going for the Reaper. And the prices are, they're reasonable. They have shakes and everything here. First time eating here should be interesting. So wish us luck with that Reaper sandwich. So here's our food. We have two hot chicken sliders. This is the famous Reaper
that we signed a waiver for, and
Yeah.
I'm scared poopless.
and this one
That's medium.
is a medium.
With fries, and then there's Dave's sauce.
This
This
Dave's
is medium.
hot
Okay?
chicken.
I'm shaking to try this. I'm shaking. I'm scared. Let's try it.
Let's see how it is. How does it compare to Cane's or even Kentucky? All the famous chicken, Popeyes. Let me see this chicken sandwich. Let's dissect it a little bit. Get you a little grubby hands on it.
meat.
It's all white meat. Thank God. We don't want to pay for raw meat. You can see it's like dry rubbed over here. So in the end, is it better than Popeyes,
Yes.
Kentucky, Cane's?
It's better than Popeyes. I like it better than Cane's.
Yeah, I wasn't crazy about Cane's either, to tell you the truth.
Yeah.
Even though the sauce here that they give you with the
very
fries,
reminiscent.
very reminiscent of it. But
Yeah, it's really good. It's a really good chicken slider. Yeah, I recommend. Come and check out Dave's Hot Chicken.
now it's time for the Reaper. Without further ado, you want to try it or you want me to try it? I don't mind.
I'll try it.
Just take a
It's
bite of
here.
the whole thing or a bite.
I'm just gonna
at the
bite
end.
the chicken.
Yeah, check it and see.
Oh, that's
Nice big bite.
right at the nose.
Nice big bite. Chicken look a bit hard.
Oh my god. Oh,
Is it hot? Oh.
oh my god.
Dave's Hot Chicken is living up to its name, it seems.
Oh, that's too hot.
Describe it though.
It's. I can't talk. Hold on. I
Oh.
can't talk. I can't eat that.
Go. So it's too hot for her.
I can't eat that.
So let me try it and see
Oh
if
my
I...
god. His turn.
So here's the Reaper. I'm just gonna taste the chicken.
Oh my god.
I can see it's got a lot of dry rub on it. If you can see, I'm not sure if it's focusing on it. A lot of dry rub, which is always dangerous.
Yes, it's so
I'm
hot.
gonna try just the chicken like it's falling off. Here we go.
Oh my god. I can't. Oh my god. Oh. It's hot.
Like the excuse me, like the Pacquiao chip, it goes into your throat.
Oh my god, I want to cry.
It's very hot.
Oh.
And I get the hiccups when I have something on.
Oh my
So
god.
it is pretty hot.
It's too hot.
Tongue is on fire. Mouth is hot.
My lips are burning.
It's pretty hot. It's gonna
My
be
nose
hard-
is leaking.
It's gonna be hard to eat this sandwich, but it's gonna be eaten.
Oh my god.
Anyway, guys, if you want to try something hot, that puts a tear to your eye, come to Dave's Hot Chicken
Oh my god.
here in Kissimmee, Orlando, and try this. Keep quiet, you. Yes, I am crying. I'm
crying, but I can still, I can still, and will still eat this sandwich.
Oh my God, no.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Oh my God.